Choose one. Stop. Just quit. Do not adjust your screen. Do not check your alerts. Do not let your thoughts stray. Don't allow anything else in the world take this moment away from you. Because the moment you halted here, heaven paused too. Something in the unseen leaned forward. Something ancient recognized you. Something divine said your name. Your spirit did not arrive here by chance. Your spirit did not freeze here out of curiosity. And you did not read this message because you were bored. No, you've been summoned. The rationale is straightforward. God is telling us we need to discuss. Not later. Not when you feel prepared. Not when life settles down. Not after you've fixed yourself. Not when the tears are dried. Right now, this is the precise moment. This is the precise breath. Do not scroll. Do not move. Don't let anything distract you because God's long-awaited discussion with you is about to begin. Listen closely, chosen one. There are times when God whispers. There are times when God nudges. There are times when God waits. But there are times when God stops everything and says, sit down. Stop running. Stop distracting yourself. I have something to say and I need you to hear me. This is one of those times. Heaven did not send you a sign. Heaven did not give you a reminder. Heaven did not send you a gentle tap on the shoulder. Heaven has given you a chat request. And God says, we need to talk about what you've been carrying because He's seen it. All of it. The weight you hide, the thoughts you silence, the pain you carry quietly, the disappointment you pretend doesn't bother you, the questions you bury because you don't want to offend heaven, the exhaustion you disguise as strength, the loneliness you conceal with laughing. God says, enough. Bring it here. We need to discuss. This is not a confrontation. This is not punishment. This is not a correction. This is an intervention. Because God says, you've reached a point in your journey where silence is no longer love. I must speak, because your destiny is at stake. He has seen you put out effort into things that exhaust you. He has seen you fight conflicts that were not your own. He has seen you remain faithful to the situations He has liberated you from. He has seen you remain silent while your spirit was screaming. He has seen you diminish when He designed you to stand tall. He has seen you keep wounds open because you won't let go. And He whispers, my child, we need to talk about why you're hurting. God says, I didn't put you through this season to break you. I put you through it to transform you. You think you're alone, lost, and nothing is changing, but heaven sees what you can't. Your spirit is evolving. Your calling is awakening. Your discernment is sharpening, and your identity is rising. Your capability is rising. You are evolving so quickly within that your outward existence is still unable to follow up. God says you feel out of place because you've outgrown what used to fit you. The perplexity you experience is not confusion, but transition, and the heaviness you feel is not depression. It's labor pangs. That loneliness is not rejection. It's separation for elevation. And God has to communicate to you about it now, before you walk into your next chapter without knowing who you've become. You keep evaluating yourself based on previous faults, patterns, and versions of yourself, but heaven isn't. God says, you are not the same person I started refining months ago. You have grown. You have matured. You have awoke. You have been strengthened. You survived something that should have broken you. You arose from circumstances you never informed anybody about. You went through storms that others would have died in. God says, you passed tests you had no idea were there. You believe you're behind, but heaven says you're ahead of schedule. God says you're entering a season when my voice will be more important than ever because what's coming will be enormous, swift, unexpected, and will need clarity, obedience, and faith. Unexpected doors are going to open. People are about to enter your life with divine purpose. Opportunities are aligning. Blessings are being unleashed. Healing is progressing. Breakthrough is being activated. But God is pausing you now to prepare you. He says, I can't share what's coming until we have this talk. Chosen one, I am not quiet, displeased, or neglecting you.